welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. If you're new here, my name is WC, and in today's video I will be making black cake, rum cake, fruit cake, whatever you call it. Today is the day. If you guys are interested in this video, please continue to watch. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. With that being said, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. I already blended my fruits. I am going to be following a recipe, so I'll link the recipe down in the description down below. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I hope it come out good. I know it will, because the ancestors is working with me today. I'm in a good spirit. So so these are the ingredients. The eggs, I already put them out and it's room temperature. These are my fruits that I blended. Is the flour. You need baking powder, vanilla extract, browning as well, butter, it's salted butter, brown sugar, allspice, ground nutmeg, and also cinnamon and lime. Alright guys, so we are finished. I'm gonna proceed to grease my pan and I'll see you guys in a bit. This is my cake pan. I am using two 9-inch, and if I have leftovers I'll be using my 10-inch pan as well. Alright guys, so the cake is in the oven. The recipe did call for preheating the oven at 300 degrees, but I put it to 350, so I'm going to set a timer for an hour and a half, and I'll come back to see if the cake is cooked. If not, I'll just leave it in there for a little bit until it's cooked. Now I'm going to go to wash my dishes. My kitchen is in a mess, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it's 11 more minutes left for the cake to finish baking, but I'm gonna still go check to see if it's good. So I'm gonna take you guys in the kitchen with me to see if the cake is ready. So let's go. So guys, I came back, and as you can see, the cake is soaking up the wine. This one is already soaked up. Also, this one is like just here, a little bit left. Those two are still soaking up the wine. I am so scared. I'm so scared because I'm touching it and it's dense, honestly. So as I was saying, like, I am scared because the cake is looking dense, and that is not how I like my black cake. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if it's gonna be moist when I cut it. I'm gonna cut the small one. This small one here is a testing cake. When I look at her cake picture, it looks so good. It looks like it's moist, and it, like, I don't know, I can't explain it, like a pudding type of texture. And that is how I like my black cake, like puddingy, not like you're tasting the fruits and stuff. I like my fruits well blended. So I'm gonna come back. It's 7:36. I'm gonna come back like maybe in another hour. My son, he cannot wait to try this yet because he wants to try the cake so bad. And also I want to try it too, to see if I pass or if I fail, because that's my first time actually making black cake. I don't really make black cake. Think about it. So I'll see you guys soon. So I transferred the cake into the tin, as you can see. I also poke holes and put some more wine on it. So I'm going to leave it there to rest a little. I will come back in a bit and let you guys know how the cake tastes. I will give my review. So I'll see you guys soon. Oh guys, and when you wrap the cake in cling wrap, it really keeps the moisture in, so that is a tip. The only thing that I regret is that I should have filled the cake pan a little bit more. I put 3 cups of cake batter in the cake pan because I thought it was gonna rise more higher, but my friend told me that black cake, they don't rise that much, so next time just add more in the tin. It really came out good and I'm happy about that. The only thing I didn't like that is not thick as it's supposed to be, but that's my fault because I didn't add more batter because I was scared, thinking that it was gonna rise or it was gonna take longer to cook, or you know, I was scared, so I was being more on the safe side. But nevertheless, we digress, because what's more important is the taste, and that is what we're going for. So we're gonna see if that cake passed the test. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video. So now gonna be my taste test. It's moist, very moist. The flavors are there. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.